Hey Coach, so excited you found us on YouTube. If you are new to the channel, my name is Coach Sam. I have been a coach for 6 years, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you in just a moment. Hey Coach, Coach Sam here from Underdog Hoops. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about my season practice planner that I made for myself and coaches like you. So in today's video, let's just get started with the practice planner. Let's see here. All right, so in this practice planner, I really wanted to lay out what coaches, what I think coaches are looking for, and what I look for when I'm planning a practice or what I want to do, just to make stuff go easier. So the front page or the first page that you'll see is the return to and the phone, team, and year. So this is just a good thing to write down just in case you lose it. Um, the second page will be your coaches and administration contact, as well as your player contacts. So you want to make sure that you have this filled out. Um, if for some reason that you have any issues, you have all the numbers for administration, coaches, and then your players. So you have information, their cell phone, their parents' phone, and their parents' email, um, that kind of thing. So what I typically like to do is have a preseason kind of breakdown of what I want. So this is where I do that. So I create a mission statement, or I can use the school's mission statement. Um, and you can have team goals as well as your own personal coaching goals, which this is one thing that you want to have personal growth as well as your team growth. Um, and your development strategy. So how are you going to get to those goals? What are you going to do to reach those goals? So next page is what we will call the actual practice planner. So basically, what this is you write your keys to your practice right here. You have your first, your second, and your third group. Um, and this breaks it down. For me, it's especially useful because my first group, my starters for the next game, maybe. And then the second group is the second string guys. So, I like to break it down like every practice, it's not always the same guys for me. And then your third string is just those bench players that don't really get in that much, and they're what I call the 2020 players. Um, so they get in when there's 20 minutes or 20 points down, or they're in when we're up 20. Okay, so another thing that I like about this is I put something in every practice, at least one thing. So I put that one thing right here, and we implement that in practice. And then um, the keys to like practice or um, like the times and what we want to do that day, that goes here. So what I typically will do is write the start time of when I want to start the drill, and then the end time will be right here in the next block, and then you can start your next thing right here. What you really want to do is you have your drill or what you're going to be going through, and then you want emphasis or focus on what you are trying to do right here. So you put your drill that you're going to run, and then you want to put what you are going to focus on or emphasize in that drill. And then if you have more than a few coaches, this is good if you're doing individual stuff, because then you have your coaches broken up, and they know where they're supposed to be. Um, and then at the end of the practice, you just want to make sure that you understand how practice went, what was your perspective on practice, that type of thing. So you got 60 of these. They're very useful. I like them a lot because I just am. If I don't have a practice plan, you know, usually I will just kind of make stuff up on the fly, and it's not a good practice. Um, so it's good to have everything written down all the time. That's how I like to do it. And so right here, this is at the end of your season. This is going to be kind of your season review. Uh, so the year goes here, the record, and then you got your little summary page. And then at the bottom right here, you got a few QR codes that you can scan and follow our different Facebook groups and YouTube channel and Instagram and all that. So feel free to check those out if you'd like. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this practice planner. I really do. It's really good for me as a coach to stay organized, and you guys as coaches should be staying as organized as you can to ensure that you guys have a stable and growing program. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can always email me. And if you like this stat book, you can go ahead and purchase it down below. It'll be in the description below. And we'll see you guys on the next video.